Okay, and howdy viewers. It's been 20 days since I've had water. Oh, wow. Well, this pump over here has been in the ground since the 90s. We've already pulled, a buddy of mine and me have already pulled the pump. This is the original, and you can see how muddy it is there. It's a 3/4 horse submersible well pump. A neighbor let me borrow this hose roller, so when you get your line and your well pump out of the water, you run it 235 or 50 feet that way. And I pulled it 3 times. This is the 3rd time it's been out of the ground. And what we have now is still no water going to the house. So tomorrow morning I'm going to disconnect the water from the basement, or disconnect the hose, the well hose from the basement where it comes into the house, and try to figure out if we're getting any water between here and there. I'm hoping maybe the hose is not collapsed, because it is ditched-witched 3 feet in the ground right here. I'm hoping it's not broken, and maybe it's just clogged with mud. So tomorrow we will be opening Pandora's box to see if we can actually get water to flow from the well pump to the house, which seems to be the problem, because the new well pump pumps, because we had it pumping up here, but as soon as you connect it to the house line, no water. So we're assuming that the line is clogged between here and the house. So tomorrow, for the 4th weekend in a row, I will be playing plumber. And I'm getting kind of tired of it. Thanks for watching.